How's it going, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today with a little sneak peek of one of our new installs going in. We are putting all of these rectangles behind me and these huge, beautiful aloes up into a rooftop patio in San Francisco for one of our clients, Allbirds. So join along, do a little tips and tricks maybe along the way, but I got a lot of work to do. So let's see what we're working with. Quick tip right off the bat, with these rectangles we filled them with some foam so that we don't have to put soil all the way to the bottom. The foam is up to about the halfway mark. So we're gonna fill this part with soil, plant these lovely plants in here, and you know, save a little bit of money on soil, but also the plants don't even need that much soil to fully root in and be happy. And I will be back with you when we're on that rooftop. See ya. All right, so we're parked, we're ready to go. We got our bag of soil, and we're gonna head into Allbirds. And we've got the lovely Transamerica pyramid right behind us in the distance. Woo, look at that. And we are going up to, I believe it's that rooftop right there. That's the boss of the applesauce. Okay, well, I'd say that went well. If you enjoyed any of this, drop some fertilizer on that like button, because that will help us grow. You'd really be a plant hero if you help us. But subscribe, click the bell, you know, all the good stuff. And join along for future plant fun. All right.